Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning.
Welcome to my walking tour of the Coral Sea Aqua Club. So in this video I'm going to be showing you all around the Coral Sea, starting with just outside. So this is the outside, the front of the hotel. I will show you the hotel properly in a few minutes when we get inside. But as you can see, walking around outside, and honestly guys, it's absolutely lovely out there. This was early in the morning, so there isn't anyone here, but normally there's a guy stood on this road to cross the road, and this is the main entrance heading up to the Aqua Club, as you can see there. This guard, sorry, there's a gate with a security guard on there all the time, alongside the exit as well. Very, very secure, and as you walk in, there's a great big scanner of stuff you'll see in a second. So everything's absolutely perfect. It was our first time in Egypt. As you can see, we're back in cloudy England now. But yeah, it was our first time, and I genuinely couldn't have found felt safer, had a nicer time. It was honestly amazing. So if you're watching this ready to book, then have a look. And here you can see security guard. Once he gets to know you, you don't have to go through the scanner, but first time you come in, you go through the scanner, you put your bags through the machine. Everything was very secure. So he'd seen me walk out about 10 minutes ago, and you give him your room number when you go out and check back in when you come back in. But yeah, as he gets to know you, it's alright. That's like the lobby bar, so there's some drinks and stuff that runs most of the day, some morning snacks too. I don't think I managed to get on camera, but they do them about 10, 11 o'clock. And then this is the way down to the main restaurant. There's also a few restaurants as well, which you'll see in another video. And then straight outside here, this is like a little snack bar, pulls over to the left, and then you come around to the right to the room. So we were up here in one of the rooms at the top, I think it was 1302, a family suite. And this walking down from the room you just saw. And I just want to show you how easy it is to get to the pool, basically. So from the room, there is a lift just by the, our room was right next door to the lift, actually, which was nice. You can also come down the stairs. It's literally 2 flights of stairs. We're on the top floor, because when you get your room number, if you're 1102, you're the second room on the bottom floor, 1202, second room middle floor. We were 1302, so block number 1, it's this first block, level 3, room 2. Nice and easy, so if you want to request a certain room, you can use those numbers to kind of help you out a bit. But yeah, you walk out here and then you're straight back past the main lobby towards the pool, and now I'm going to take you round all the pool areas, talk to you a little bit about what there is over there. Like I say, you've got some bins on the right, there's bins everywhere, nice and neat, it's nice and clean. The little snack bar to the right does some warm food in like the late afternoon. There's another snack bar by I think the snack bar by the pool does it 1 till 3. This bar was like 3 till 5, 3 till 6, and sometimes we'll use it at dinner time when they do like barbecue night in the restaurant. And like I said, I've got some more videos coming on the channel about the food. So I've got some breakfast, got some teas. Food is amazing as well, and I will kind of share some of that on those videos too. But this way, we walk over to the water park, and this is what this hotel is all about. So these pirates are there with all the rules. You can see all the rules there. Feel free to pause it and have a read of them. I'm not going to read them all to you. On the right here, you've got a surf rider, wave rider, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's great fun, operates every single day. Just go where there's normally a queue of 4 or 5 people, but you get a few minutes each. On the left, you've got the flumes, I'll show you properly in a second. On the right here, you've got the lazy river. You have to put a life jacket on, and you sit in a little rubber dinghy and float around, and oh, love a lazy river. Absolutely amazing. And then here are the flumes. So the flumes operate, and I will show you all the instructions. Some of them have different height restrictions. Some of them different dinghies and stuff. Over on the far side, you can just see on the left there are the mats. So you go down on your tummy with a mat in front of you. The purple slide is just like a chute, so you just cross your arms, cross your legs and go down on your back. And on the left hand side are all the dinghy ones. So this one is a 2-person dinghy, there's another 2-person bowl one, and there's a 1-person dinghy. And again, pause the video on the instructions, you can see on there the height restrictions, all that type of thing. Feel free to zoom in and have a closer look. And then keep going. So that's the way up to the kind of dinghy rides. This set of stairs goes up to the chute and the mat rides. And honestly, again, the staff are so helpful. They'll talk to you about what you can and can't do. They'll show you what to do if you're nervous about it. They'll get you up there, get you on, and talk you everything through and get you out the other end. It's honestly absolutely brilliant. The staff can't do enough to help you at this place. They're an absolute credit to like the hospitality industry, I guess. So yeah, this is coming down the bottom of the mat and the chute, and you know, splash out you get, go around onto the next one. Absolutely brilliant. Just at the end there, you can see is like the snack bar. So if you keep on walking, I can't remember if I do keep on walking or not in this video, but that is a snack bar. There's a few tables, and that does like, it does hot dogs, it does burgers, it does chicken wraps on different days, and chips every single day, obviously. Some salad and fruity bits too, and that's open from 1 till 3. It just does food, this one. There's no drinks at this one. But yeah, again, lovely little place to go for snack. There were some days where we didn't bother going inside to eat. We just came there, had a bite to eat, and then kept going in the pool. Other days we did go inside to eat, but then that was always open if you wanted an extra snack that afternoon. Over the bridge here, this is the little kids pool. So this pool is not heated. It is a bit chilly, but it's only about, I mean, on me it was shin deep. Kids are like waist deep at best. All these fountains kind of turn on, the water guns spray, and the little pools of water sliding down them. Great little pool for kids. Have a great time in it. And then you wander across here. Normally, if you come down with a bunch of towels, you can see there's a guy on the left there. There's a bunch of them in the recreation team. They'll basically come take your towels off you and ask you where you want to sit and go lay them all out for you. Put your sunbed up if you want it, your umbrella, sorry. Again, couldn't be couldn't be happy to help. You can see some people got their towels down already, but I must admit, getting towels was easy. We never really struggled for a sunbed. I never saw anyone struggle for a sunbed, to be fair. It was pretty nice and straightforward. This is the wave pool. You can see there is a few sunbeds still. This one, you hear like a whistle or a beeping noise, and the waves go about every half an hour. Just there to the left, you've got the pirate ship pool, and again, great for kids, not heated. Great big bucket of water splashes down over all these fountains and slides and all sorts going on. It is a great time. And then walk this way over here to these steps. You can go, there's like a sunbathing area up at the top that we didn't really go to because generally adults without kids are up there chilling out a bit. But yeah, to the left there's a whole sunbathing area, and then to the right this is the way to the main pool. So there's a little shot of the lazy river floating along around the outside. Looks absolutely brilliant. Honestly, I love the lazy river. Love a lazy river. And then this one is the main pool. So to the right there's another bar where you can get alcoholic drinks. Underneath that kind of sunbathing area on the bottom floor there is another bar where you can get soft drinks from. This one does soft drinks and alcoholic ones up here just over to the left. There it is in the corner there. This is a tiny little pool. Don't really know what this pool was there for, but it was just there. And again, loads and loads of sunbeds free. You get sunshine up here pretty much all day. Main pool with all the rooms around it. Absolutely brilliant. And then this side you walk back down this way, back down to the main kind of front lobby area. And yeah, that's about it. If you are, as I wander back round, if you are looking to book this hotel, I mean, personally, I'd say book it. Like, we had the best time and we are going to be going back there as soon as we can. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. There is going to be videos coming out on the channel about the specialty restaurants you can go to. There's an Asian and an American one. There's going to be videos coming out at breakfast. There's going to be videos coming out at tea. I think I've got one at dinner as well. There's going to be a family suite room tour, which we were in, and a standard room tour that our friends were staying in. So do go have a click on the channel. Feel free to subscribe if you want to, because we do general holiday content from all sorts of places. Very soon we're going to be going to Disney in America and Florida. We've got a few other trips planned or about to book a few trips as well. So there's a lot more coming up in 2025 and beyond. And yeah, generally, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're a good one. Any questions, comment down below and I will reply to them as soon as I can, and I will see you in the next one.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning.
This is room 1302, which is a family suite at the Coral Sea Aqua Club. I thought I'd show you around because we are at the end of our stay here. So today is our final day of what has been the most mega you're right, the most mega week ever. And part of the reason of that is this room, along with the amazing staff, amazing facilities, everything. So walking in, front door, you get a Rachel, comes with the room.
Does not.
And then you get the bathroom here. So we barely actually use this bathroom. I've used it a couple of times for number twos. That's about it.
They're very dark, the rooms, aren't they?
They are a little bit dark. There is more lights here though. Turn them on. But yeah, lovely bathroom, nice bath, does the job. And the reason we've got that room there, bathroom, is because this is like the spare bedroom. So this is where Noah slept. 2 beds in here. Alright. This is where Noah slept. 2 beds in here. Space for a suitcase. We put our spare suitcase on that because we didn't use that one. TV in here. And every room has got its own like aircon, climate control stuff. So this room was set to 20, I think, the whole week. But yeah, it was absolutely fine. Lamp, plug sockets down there, all very nice. And then this is the kind of main bedroom where we've got our suitcase packed because we are going in a couple of hours. But this bed, our bed, is massive, bigger than our bed at home, like king bed,
Queen,
I think. You got double wardrobe here, so we use this side mostly with a safe that is free to use, and they do recommend using it, but it's super easy. And then this side, they got some robes, some slippers, space to hang stuff for like nicer clothes, etc. Well, that is very heavy, isn't it? Yeah. You've got an ensuite in here, so again, bath, toilet, sink. Bath was a little bit chipped, you can see like all the kind of paint is wearing away a bit, but it wasn't dirty, it was just a bit chipped, and we only had showers anyway. So that was our ensuite in here. Again, mirror, extra lights if you need them. And then this room, so you have got loads of storage over here again, loads of living area. Oh yeah, hairdryer comes, you can turn it off actually, in there. And again, tea and coffee, you get 4 of these every single day, and if you use them up, they refresh them every single day when they come and clean your room. Fridge is over here, along with another cupboard, and again, space for, look, we've got 2 in there still. Space for about 6 bottles in there, I think. So you never run out of fresh water. They do say don't drink the tap water, obviously you haven't been to it before. Don't brush your teeth in them, so we haven't. And then the balcony is over here, which looks out onto the beautiful pool. So you've got kids area, there's another kids area over there, wave pool. This is part of the lazy river. Then you've got slides over there. It's just been amazing. And then that is not even included in the big pool, which is up there. So you've got absolutely everything. So that's the first balcony, because the reason we booked this one was not only that we had our own room and then Noah had his own room and he could get some proper sleep at night without us disturbing him, but
probably not using it that much, have we?
not as much as I thought we would. We also then have a living room. So you've got sofa, loads more cupboard space again. There's hang inside, drawers. So this is where Noah had all his clothes. Again, more cupboards and stuff down here. Was this a fridge this whole time?
No,
just cupboards. Not much in there. And then you've got another balcony, which where we've got all the chairs together, and again, the same view. And again, this one has got its own climate control, as does the bedroom. So you've got this one is set to 21 at the minute. Well done, dude. Keep going with that suitcase. And then in here, you've got the aircon here, and that is set to 21.5 at the minute. And honestly, the aircon is amazing. Like, it works perfect. It was almost felt too cold in the room. Ah, it's gonna get me! So, that is the family suite at Coral Sea Aqua Club, which hopefully, if you're going to book, you will, because honestly, it's been
It's literally
amazing.
cost about 100 days to fix up Rose.
Yeah, and
A full week.
it just feels like we
It's a
were
no-brainer.
at a house rather than a room, wasn't it? Like an apartment.
And just space from him
Ugh.
to sleep.
So, that's it. If you are going to book, book. If you're just thinking about coming to the place, book. We have got on the channel, I've shown you around the pool, I've got some of the food, some of the dinners, teas, there's like specialty restaurants. We are going to go have a look because our friends are here that we've come with, and they've got a kind of standard room, so we're going to go show you what that room is as well.
Is it your dad and I'll fix it?
Well, that's okay, dude, it's just a battery. Mummy can fix it. So yeah, if you want to go have a look at the videos, book the hotel, you won't regret it, it is fantastic. And we haven't actually been paid to say that, we just really enjoyed it. So, see you in the next one.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning.
This is a standard room at the Coral Sea Aqua Club, so we haven't stayed in one of these, but this is our friend's one, it's 5115. And you've got cupboards. Oh, I assume there's nothing in any of these cupboards anymore, is there? So you've got all the cupboard space there. You've got more shelves and a safe again there. And more hanging space there. You've got the bathroom. Oh, walk-in shower. Sink. I like the walk-in shower.
A toilet and a bin.
They do have a toilet, don't they? Then we've got beds for 3 people. And then this one goes straight out to the pool with a little balcony. Oh, sorry, Harvey. You got me. And then we've got TV, straws. Drinks. Anything else we got, Harvey?
And that.
Oh, is that the man from the
That
box?
one.
Tea. Everything. Oh, hey.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning.
You want sausages?
Daddy.
Go on then, can you do it? Getting a bit hot. Gonna do it with me?
Daddy,
There you go.
I want
Okay.
another slice.
Well, you have that one slice and I'll get you some more if you like it, okay? Do you?
You can see I want more.
You want some more? What else do you want? You're not sure?
Why did you want?
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning.
Welcome to the Chinese restaurant at the Coral Sea Aqua Club. This is the menu, so I'll let you pause the video here just to have a look at what all the different options are, and I'll tell you how it works. You get one stay at this restaurant each time you stay at the Coral Sea Aqua Club. So if you go for 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, you usually get one stay per break. However, a little tip first of all, we tipped him the first time we went at the end because it was amazing and he deserved it. And he gave us an extra stay totally for free. So this is our second stop where, to be honest, it gives a little bit of special treatment. So anyway, from the menu, you get to pick one starter, one main course, and one dessert per person. Obviously, the drinks are all inclusive as well, so you get as many drinks as you would like. And as you can see, he comes and puts a plate of prawn crackers on your table. If you want to ask for more, they will bring you more as well. We had 2 or 3 plates of these throughout the meal. And then you get dropped off a bunch of chopsticks. Now, these are the starters we ordered. So I ordered the spring rolls, and you see the crispy duck over there. But he also came and the satay skewers, I think. He also came and gave us some extra ones as well. Again, this is a little bit of special treatment that we got. I think because we tipped him well last time, so he was like making up for it basically. This is the kids' meals. So Noah had a burger and chips. Loved it. It was absolutely brilliant. And then this is the rest of our starters finishing off before we moved on to the main course. I had the sweet and sour chicken this time. There's some crispy duck there, and then again he put some extra mains in the middle, and another crispy duck. I think it was like an orange chicken in the middle there, something like that. But yeah, the food was honestly fantastic. And then extra bits of rice and noodles that you order with your mains. And then I had the deep fried ice cream for dessert. Both times it was brilliant. You get bowls of ice cream for the kids, and anyone else that wants them. I think Ryan there had a chocolate brownie with some ice cream on. And then I think Shannon has some ice cream too. And then we got like these kind of creme brulee things and a fruit plate put on the table as extras again at the end.